Hi guys, happy Tuesday. Welcome to the channel. Newcomers, thank you. If you are new to the channel and you haven't seen the book club kit book lovers journal giveaway, you're in for a treat. So I bought this book club kit. I'll put an introduction to the giveaway and the unboxing of the book club kit because now I've torn it apart. We are getting ready to get started. We're keeping everything from the kit, including these two. These were the sides of the boxes, right? You'll see it in the other video in the description box and in the iCard up there. One or the other. You'll see it. And then we've got, like I said, we're keeping the whole thing. We got this piece for a belly band, these two pieces to create really cool belly bands. And I can clean this up later. I don't know why I'm wasting time cleaning it up now. And so, yes, we're going to use every part of the kit. I'm going by the Dollar Tree tomorrow and hopefully they got one more of these. I tried to look online for them. They didn't have them. So, we'll make the best do with what we have. I got the front made. This is the front cover. This is part of the signatures, right? And this is the back cover. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm actually going to wait until the spine's attached. I was, and I'm hoping you will work with me on how many signatures you think this should have. I'm happy to put in 2, or we could just put in 1. We put in 1, the giveaway goes faster. We put in 2, it's a bigger journal. Giveaway takes a little longer. So you guys let me know. Majority wins. 1 or 2 signatures. And then we'll get started on getting those signatures in there. And these are going to be for the spine. Here's the rest of our stuff. Like I said, we're going to use in the journal. And I actually thought these would make really cute belly bands. Or even pockets, you know. So let me know. Let me know what you guys decide. Oh, how cool. This one has a matte and a shiny. So we'll use the matte on that. And then the shiny. The matte and the shiny. That is so cool. Love it. This must not have been a very good book. It got checked out twice in 1965. Twice in 68. And then it went all the way up to 71 before it got checked out again. 69, 70, 71. 3 years later, it was checked out once. A year later, it was checked out once. So, oh yeah, twice in 72. Only once in December. 3 times in 72. Let me take that back. And then, not again for 6 years. And then it was checked out twice in 78, and then the following once in 79. So that must not have been a very good book, right? Yeah, that's funny. All right, anyhow, so we got those. We've got our ballot on suggested book, and we'll just put some names in here, you know, that'll fit. I've got my little stamps. Like Gone with the Wind. What would be a good one that didn't get, you know, whatever book. Maybe you're reading a book, suggested book. We could even put by whoever. Yeah, so we got 2 of those. Then we got our stickers, our belly bands, our pockets, and then our pages with this particular, these guys' recent reads. So whoever's reading the book can put all of that information in there. Here's some prompts. What did you like or dislike about this book? how the book make you feel, how relevant are the themes, blah, blah, blah. So we could do that. All right. So if you're a book lover or you know a book lover that you would like to gift this to, the rules will be in the linked video down below. So please go over there and watch that. And then feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe. On this one, I'm not requiring you to be a subscriber. I'm just asking that you give a thumbs up, comment, and, watch it till the end. Not much to ask for to get a chance to win it. So there you go, guys. I will see you on Thursday. Again, the link to the giveaway rules will be in the iCard and in the description. All right. See you guys soon. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for crafting with the Diva today. I truly appreciate you spending this creative time with me. If you've enjoyed this project, please like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, keep it creative, keep it inspired, and I'll see you soon.